Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So in this video, I have a sheet where we have some data here and we have another sheet that is completed. So in dropdowns, I have two values. First is completed and another one is pending. Now, let me show you. If I select completed, then this row is completely removed and it's gone to this sheet, the completed sheet. Let me show you again. So this second number row, let me move the third row, this one. So if I select completed, this has removed here and this has come here. So the whole row is copied here and it's deleted from this sheet. Again, if I want to mark this one as completed, again, this is coming here. So another one, the drop down, which is a pending, so there is no effect. But if I move it to completed, then this one is also moved to completed sheet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. To get this file, I will be sharing my WhatsApp details and my email address in the description part of this video. So you can just reach me out for this file. And thank you and have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.